Grabs a bloody screw. This is the future, this job. Right. Well, you don't want to bring a bag of sticks out of that.
I'll show a pinch and bits of wood for you.
All right. Hey, John.
This is a Mammoth model steam traction engine, a Mammoth TE1. It's in good but used second-hand condition. It's got some paint missing. It's actually been used and been played with, which is the way personally I like to see them. We'll take the canopy off so we can see what actually goes on. It's basically a little single cylinder oscillating steam engine. Got a whistle on it there, and a little safety valve, and a little methylated spirit burner. I had these when I was young and I used to play with them all the time. There's actually a rod goes on there so you can steer it, and you can put a drive belt onto that wheel so it will go around. I haven't had this one that long. I've never steamed it. I'm going to put some water into it and light a fire and make the engine run for no other reason than it's good fun. We'll take the burner out. So these used to run on methylated spirits, which is pretty dodgy stuff really. I've got some little solid fuel pellets that I'm going to use. The safety valve screws out, and that's where you put the water in. A little spring-loaded safety valve that appears to be stuck. It is, that's jammed. Now I have got another one of them on a different engine, so I'll use a new safety valve. This plug comes out. That's the actual level plug, so you know there's enough water in it. Some of the later models have actually got a water gauge glass on there, so you can look and see how much water's in it. That's the wrong washer on there as well. I have to find a washer the right size. So I need a safety valve and I need a washer for the filler plug. I managed to find a safety valve that's free. That's got a rubber washer on there which is in poor condition, but it's the only one I've got. These parts are still readily available, so that will fit into there, and I've found the right size washer for the filler plug. I'm going to fill it with warm water, which makes raising the steam a lot quicker. A little funnel goes into there. Right, that's the water coming out of the hole in the back. So that's the water at the correct level. A lot of these are damaged because people run them with low water in and it melts the solder. The boilers are only soft solder together. I've just dropped the little bastard washer off that. I found another washer. So that simply screws into there. Just finger tight. And the little safety valve screws into there. So they used to put methylated spirits into these, which is rather dangerous. The solid fuel tablets are a lot safer option. I think this will go in there with a... No, it won't. Right, so we'll have to devise some different sort of burner just that won't go in there with the solid fuel pellets on it. We can slide this off. There used to be cotton wool under these to absorb the mess, and that's how they used to burn. I've got a steel rule here which has been under a milling cut at one time. That should do the job if we put into there. Right, probably 3 pellets will be enough. Come on, light, you bastard. Right, so they simply go into there and heat up the little boiler. While it's warming up, it's exactly the same as a full-size engine. A few drops of light oil on various places, and these do run nice and sweet. That flywheel is loose, I have to tighten that up. I should have done a few checks on this before I started doing the video, but anyway, it's all part of the fun, I suppose. Right, that's better. These do reverse as well. I've got forward and backwards on them, so I think we used to play with these as unsupervised children. It would be a good idea to let some of today's children play with the fire. Right, we've got steam now because it's pissing out of that whistle. I think that's just put the fire out. Bloody hell. It is. Trying to run this one that I ran for a lot of years. There it goes. You can control the speed with the regulator, and it does run in reverse. Not quite a PlayStation or a computer game, but it is interesting. Try the little whistle. Not quite. Just going to put the fire out, I think. Yeah, the fire's got out again. So I can get it burning again. There's one of the lads at work showed a great interest in these, which is basically one of the reasons why I decided to get all these engines out and give it a run. They do go quite fast, but I think it's better to run it nice and slow. I've got a few of these. I bought of a lad was selling his collection. He didn't really mess about, he just wanted them to go, so I bought the whole lot really. Oil can's a little bit on the enormous side. And that designed so the fire goes out before the water runs out. It's about sales and operation, that. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Anyway, thanks for watching.